Wake up to warm wooden tones and bright, soothing hues at the Blackwood, a student haven designed for everyday luxury and unbeatable campus closeness in Chicago. Choose from cozy en-suites, non-en-suites, or one-bedroom apartments, each with sleek wood floors, granite countertops, an electric stove for quick fixes, a dishwasher to handle the cleanup, refreshing air conditioning, and the comfort of your own private room. Plus, on-site laundry facilities make wash days a breeze. Stay active in the gym, relax with friends in the resident lounge, and enjoy speedy Wi-Fi throughout the common areas. Feel free to skip the stairs. The elevator will whisk you straight to your room. Secure package lockers and bike storage add extra convenience, and yes, your pets are welcome too. Guess what? University of Chicago just a short walk away, and Illinois College of Optometry is only a quick drive. Exploring the city is easy with bus stops on East Hyde Park and Kenwood or Kimbark, plus the train at 51st nearby. Hurry! Claim the student stay of your dreams at the Blackwood Chicago via amberstudent.com now.